Hi, my name is Baitao. My student ID is 300553633. Today, I will show my program which show some figures about COVID-19. Uh, okay, I finished my program with Unity. Uh, let's uh, firstly start to look at the data uh, what I used. This is two data sets. Uh, the first is offered by WHO. We can find the data set uh, on their website. This shows the number of cases and other figures. Uh, the second data set is about vaccination. It shows the total vaccinations injected for each country. Okay, let's start to look our interface. The first is the figure about infected cases for each country. We show the data on the world map. You can see when we use our mouse to hover a country, we will see the data. For example, the Algeria is belong to Africa, and the cases number is here. Okay, let's start to look the next interface. The next interface is about the number of vaccinations. If we look at China, we can see there are many vaccinations were injected. The last interface is a line chart, which shows the number of vaccinations for each country. For example, we look at the statistics in Europe. We can see there are many countries and there are figures for each country. Okay, that's the whole interface in my program. Thank you for watching.
Okay, so this is a video showing the data visualization interface that Zhang Haobo is responsible for in the SWEN422 group project. My visualization interface focuses on the extent to which governments are responding to COVID. When we open the interface like here, we can see the title of the project at the top of the interface. COVID-19 response visualization dashboard. There is a dialog box below the title to enter the name of the country. For example, if we want to know the extent of China's government response, we type China in the dialog box. Okay, now there will be 4 visualization interfaces: government response, lockdown level, health intervention, and economic intervention, in turn, are displayed. So where government response is a concentrated reflection of the government's response level. It synthesizes the data from the other 3 line charts. The other 3 ones illustrate the degree of response from different perspectives. At the bottom of the page are the data sources. Here. My data come from a survey project at Oxford University. Oxford COVID-19 Government Response Tracker. So the link is shown at here. So for each line chart, the color of the lines on the chart reflects the level of response. Warm colors means a higher degree of intervention, and the cool colors means a lower degree of coping. So we can also move the mouse to the point of the line to see the specific data. Like here is government response and the date, and here, like this one. So if we are interested in New Zealand's government response, we can enter New Zealand in the dialog box. So here it changed. As the line chart shows, the overall level of government intervention in New Zealand is low compared to China. It mainly peaks at a few specific points in time. The most strict intervention policy will come to September 2021. This data visualization project will help us to analyze the extent to which governments have responded to COVID and provide guidance for future outbreak prevention and control.
Hi everyone, this is Zichen Zhang from Group 6. I'm happy to show you my data visualization group project about COVID-19. As my partners focus on the vaccine and government response, I decided to focus on variants. Okay, let's start it. Alright. Now let me show you my work. Well, as you can see, there are 2 visualization view. Generally, I made a map visualization and line charts for each variant. For the map view on the left, it shows the total number of people in each country who suffered from a specific variant in history. As can be seen in the bottom, there is a scale which defines the color to be painted on different countries. The number ranges from 1 to 1 million, and here you can choose different variants you want to see: Beta, Delta, Epsilon, and Omicron. And now let me introduce the line charts. The line charts focus on the number of people who suffered from specific variants in different continents as time goes by. The period is from the time that this variant was detected to the time that it disappeared. The y-axis represents the number of people who suffered from it in this continent. Same as a map, you can choose different variants you want to see here, like Omicron, Gamma, Kappa, and other variants. Okay, that's all. Thanks for your watching.